where you were with the unit circle and try to give you some sort of vision for how to get to a better place by tomorrow. How to get to a better place by tomorrow. And to make sure that you guys get the quest review written down. If you notice, the quest review, like normal, is all odds that you guys can be checking as you go. It's a review, praise Jesus, which means you don't have to write any directions or problems. Just show me where. Get to those answers, right? But is there anything in homework, even though there was only one even, is there anything that you guys got stuck on? Yeah. 91. 91. Anything else besides 91? Yeah. Anything earlier than 91? 11. 11? Let's do 11. Number 11 gave us, if you guys have been using cheater chart, number 11 might have been hard because you're like, it's not cheater chart. So if I were you for number 11, like on this one, what I would have done is I would have drawn a triangle mimicking the x, which would have been negative root 3, and the y, negative 1. The only problem is, guys, in the unit circle, my hypotenuse is always 1. But I think in these ones, since it's trig of any point, we have to do Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse. So you would have to do your little a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which in this case would be, what, 3 plus 1 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, I think? And so in this case, I think you're supposed to be finding SOHCAHTOA CHOA. So Vanessa, what you want to do is you want to think about your opposites, your adjacents, and your hypotenuses, and do it the old-fashioned way. The opposite of the hypotenuse versus or adjacent of the hypotenuse. Does that kind of make sense? So yeah, you want to use that SOHCAHTOA CHOA. You could do the same thing with this one, just the triangle is going to be over here instead. And you can use your 4 and your negative 1. And then you can do 4 squared is 16 plus 1 squared is 17. So that's going to be your opposite, your adjacent, and your hypotenuse for that right angle. Does that kind of make sense? Cool. And then Emma, number 91.
Yeah. You can do 71.
71? Yeah. .71 is tangent equaling 3 over 2. And in the third quadrant, you're trying to find secant. Okay. So third quadrant, opposite, just me knowing that tangent is TOA. Opposite is 3, adjacent is 2. Pythagorean theorem, you have to do 9 plus 4 is 13. If I could get that. And then in the third quadrant, we have to remember that the x is negative and the y is negative. So we're kind of filling in some stuff from chapter 1. But then all we have to do is think of secant, CHOA, hypotenuse over adjacent would be root 13 all over 2, which you can pull the negative in front of the whole guy. Okay. And then number 91, he's right up here on the other side. Find 2 solutions, maybe a coterminal thing. Well, you know what? We had our cheater chart up here a second ago. Sine is 1, 2, 3. Isn't sine 1/2 that pi over 6 is? But it's a positive 1/2, so I have to think about that. Well, all students, I could do like a pi over 6 and a 5 pi over 6. They're just asking me for when this is true. I'm going backwards in my unit circle. Does that make sense? Okay. So you're missing the theta, you're missing the angle. They've told you the ratio, and they've given you nice unit circle ones that you're supposed to have memorized to try to go backwards. So go into your cheater chart. Well, wait, that's 1/2 also, but negative, I'd be thinking of my other ones. Yeah. Okay, all day tomorrow is a work day. Homework questions, things you want to see, things you want to practice, or just work. Maybe you're free to help us with work. If I can help you on the unit circle, let me know. Otherwise, have kids with you.